Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view or check your comment history on your Android or iOS device if you have the Instagram app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page, and then select the three-line icon, three horizontal lines at the top right. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to go underneath where it says how you use Instagram, and you want to select where it says your activity. Underneath interactions, you want to select where it says the comments item. Go ahead and select that. And all of your comment history should show up here for any photos or videos you've commented on. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.